and a very warm welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is a preview of everything that is coming in December. So I've created loads of Christmas festive recipes for you, and this is what you have to look forward to. Take a enjoyed watching those little previews of what's coming up in December. Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.